What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So do you need a regular smartwatch that you don't have to pay a fortune for? Well, Blackview may have you covered. I have the Blackview smartwatch here. It's the X1 version, and you can pick this up for about 35 to 40 bucks. And it's a pretty neat smartwatch here, and we're going to go over it, and I'm going to give you my first impressions about it. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is back with another video. So I got the Blackview smartwatch here, and it's a pretty neat watch. And I've been kind of going over it for the last couple of hours, right after I did the initial unboxing. And I set it all up on my smartphone, and it's been a really good smartwatch so far. It has a nice build to it, which is really nice. Not all that, glamorous, professional build and everything, but it does have a nice build quality to it. Plastic build. The bands are nice little rubber bands here, and it feels really good. I've been using it pretty much half the day today, and I really do like this watch, especially for the price. So let's get into it. When you have to set it up on with your smartphone, you download the H-Band app. Once you download the H-Band app, you got to do the startup process, which if you did a smartwatch, all you got to do is turn it on. You just do the startup process. And then once you download the app, it's pretty strange when you do the startup process on the app. It actually what color your skin is, which is really weird. But I did put in brown, even though I mean light brown, but I put in brown. And you set your goal just like any other sport watch, because it's made for fitness and health. So you set it all up, and this will give you a dashboard of everything that's going on with your training, what kind of sports that you're doing and stuff like that. So the app is very important, especially if you want to get fit. All right. So let's go and go over some of the watch faces here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 4 watch faces here, and all of them looks really good. I mean, you got a nice little design here, and right now I got the brightness about halfway on the watch, which is not bad. It seems to be pretty bright. Today I did 500 steps. So far since I've been having the watch on, and right out of the box it was halfway battery life, and I haven't charged this up, so the battery life is going to be pretty good. Now it does come with a charger, and that's going to be the magnetic charger that pops right on the back right here to charge it up. So there it is, and you just plug this up into any type of charger that you have laying around the house. All right, so just so you know that. All right, so when you go up and down, you get all your watch faces. All right, when you go left to right, then you get more of your fitness stuff. Again, I did 537 steps, look like 0.2 miles. I burnt, look like 29 calories, stuff like that. And right now I haven't slept yet. So it does monitor your sleep. All right, and it kind of gives you some of the versions here. All right, so you get into more of your settings. You got your heart rate, your sports, your text messages, and you can find your phone, which you can hook up. And you do have all your sport modes here: outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor run, say indoor walk, hiking, and mountain and stuff like that. So I also have bike, cycling, and rowing. Wow, that's pretty neat. And you have all your stuff like that. So you do have all your sport modes. And then when you go down one more, you do have music. You got your sport watch, stopwatch, and your countdown counter, and your settings. When you go into settings, you can adjust your brightness. Right now I got it on 1, 2, and click it again. That's the brightest. I thought I had it in the middle, but I had it on 1. It seemed to be pretty bright. You do have the app, and this is the QR code where you scan and get the H-Band app, which is very important. It's a very, very important app, especially if you want to do fitness and health. But overall, the performance of it is really good. I mean, for the most part. So it has all the functionality that you like if you want to get fit for a very reasonable price. So yes, you can get incoming calls, and you can see all your text messages, all your emails, all your social media, everything can happen on this display. And as far as performance, so far me having it, the performance has been great on it. So I don't have any issues with performance and everything in between. So other than that, I will leave all product links down in the description below. It's a really good, sleek, rugged type of smartwatch, and it looks nice. It's nice, lightweight, and it does all the functionality that you want in a smartwatch, right? It does everything as far as monitoring heart rate, your sleep, and everything in between. So hey, it's a really good addition to having it in your collection, and it's not thick at all as far as the looks and feel of it. So it looks really good. I really do like it. I like the rubber band, and I like the texture of it. And I mean, it is what it is, especially for the price. You're getting a whole lot for this price. I will leave all product links down in the description below. This is Eric, the tech preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. I want to give a huge thanks to Blackview for sending this product out for review. And I am going to make a follow-up video on my impressions after having this for about a week or so. So stay tuned and subscribe. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.